Right, guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to turn incognito mode on YouTube, PC, and laptop, okay? So first things first, let me explain to you. Like, I know how you do it in the phone, you just turn on incognito mode. On the PC or laptop, you don't have this option actually, okay? So what you need to do, there's actually a workaround. So you need to do is, when you're in Chrome browser, click on these three dots right here. And then what you want to do, guys, you want to click on incognito window. Okay, this is basically incognito mode for YouTube on your PC or laptop. So I'm going to show you how to access incognito mode using the incognito window on your Chrome browser, okay? So once the incognito window loads up, I'm going to show you just how we can get this on YouTube as well. Alright guys, now that our incognito mode has loaded up, what we want to do is basically just search up a YouTube, okay? Just search up YouTube how you would in a normal browser. Just search up YouTube. And once this loads up, guys, I'm going to show you, like, basically what's going to happen is we are going to be in incognito mode on our browser. So whatever we do on our YouTube, since there's not going to be any account signed in, it's basically also going to be in incognito mode. So I'm going to search up YouTube right here on our search bar right here. I'm going to search up YouTube. All right, guys, here we go. I just want to open up YouTube now. Just click on YouTube right here. And basically, guys, we are going to be in completely incognito YouTube. You can watch anything, nothing's going to be saved to your history. You can browse, you can search for anything. Nothing here is going to be linked to your actual YouTube channel that you have or your account that you have been using. It's literally that easy. Look at this, guys. We have no feed, we have no backlog of any videos we've watched. So it's asking us to actually search for things we would like to watch. We can just click on shorts or some other things like the homepage to see video. So it's literally that easy and simple, guys. So if this video helped, make sure you smash that like button. Comment down below actually if you're still having trouble. I'll still help you out in the comments. Until next time, guys, make sure you subscribe to Ninja Guides so I can see you in the next video.